Yay! Welcome to Cecile Fashion. But I think this is for the second. I'll say it in my previous video that I'm gonna show you how to make something. It may not be exactly what we have here, but it's something that you can wear. So stay tuned. I have my mannequin head. I have this pin. You need it just to secure your cap, and you need this cap. This cap, you may need it if you're doing the crochet, the ready done, the twist ready already. So you may need this one, just in case. Otherwise, you can take this off, this line off, then you just left with this one. So I'm gonna show you both ways, even if I'm not doing a lot, but yeah, I will finish. I finish it maybe in my next video. So what you do is use your crochet hook, the hook one. We have them, we have the hook, we have these ones. We don't have the hair, unfortunately, but you can have it in your local store. So which is very accessible. You can get them anywhere, and even these in your local store, just from Cecile Fashion if you want. So I've shown in my previous video about this one. Wow, it's nice, isn't it? Isn't it? It's very nice. Very nice. I'm not sure about the inches, the length, maybe 18 or 20 inches, not sure. So what I'm gonna show you is this one and this one, the thing that you need, and this one I'm gonna do the tiny, just like this twist, Senegal twist, maybe 2 or 3 so you can just see, because I can't finish them today. Exactly this one. And I'm gonna do it in the front. Yeah, you just hook that and take this one and then lock it and then take it off. Yeah, you have it here, and then bring it, and now you have something to start with, like this one. Now we're gonna do the twisting, the Senegal twist. I have to sit down. So I don't know if you see it clearly, but I want you to see the step by step. All right, is a lot of work involved. So this is how you do it. You twist and twist and twist. I'm doing it faster. I don't know if the person showing is doing the good job. I hope you're doing the good job so people can see. Twist it and twist and twist and twist, over and over. As you can see, it's a lot of work. To finish something like this, I think it will take days. But the easiest way to do it, the quickest, the quickest way to do it, just buy your crochet braid ready-made than doing this work here, because this one will take you ages to do it. I'm just showing you that you can do it. If you know how to do hair, don't be intimidated, because when it's already done, you'll see like, wow, what the work involves. So this is what involves. You need the cap, you need the mannequin head, you also need a crochet hook, the hook that you can just hook in. Wow. Oh, for me it will take months to finish one wig, this one. But for the crochet braid, it does take me like 3 hours or 4 hours. It depends on the style. Now you can see exactly the tiny little one. I was just showing you how to do it. Yeah, But next time I'll show you how to finish the whole herd. Some people get bored when the video is too long. But if you want to know step by step, you have to sit down and watch, because it will help you. If you want to do something for yourself, then you can do it or buy it. So it depends on your budget, really, and if you want to do something or not. So the second one, same thing, and you just put it over and twist it before, and then put across, twist and twist, across, twist and across, twist, twist, twist. So I'm gonna do 2 of this one, and then I'm gonna show you the quickest way to do it, as I said, because you need the crochet, the ready braided crochet braid. This is very, very tiny. If you want that style, it will take you ages. So the second one is finished. Mine is smaller. Wow, this one. The quickest way to do it, if you don't have much time and you want something to wear the same day, you can start. If you're going out and you don't know what to wear, just buy the ready-made crochet braid. This one, oh my god, I'm using something else. And you can use, if you want the small one, just untwist it, and then it'll be like, wow, something curly. Yeah, another style. So 2 in 1, it'll be curly. And what you have to do is something like this. You just put your crochet in, and I've sold a lot of wigs that I've made with using similar method. So this is what I do. By the time you finish, so everything is covered, so no one sees how you did it. They'll be like, wow, Cecile, I love the wig. I have a lot of clients that wear my wigs, so I'll show you step by step for this one, because this one doesn't take long. You just buy the ready-made crochet braid and just braid it few hours, and then it'll be all done. So when you're coming at the front, because you need this one here, something just to show off, just to hide that you did it. So you just leave something here. You will just take some hair off. Oh, I didn't prepare my scissors. So you just cut it with the scissors. Then you can put a line here. And then at the end, you just blend it with your concealer. I think you get what I'm talking about. So yeah, let me put another one, second one. You just inside and out, put in, and then zip, and then take it off and bring it back under, and then yeah, that's all. It will remain there. Few, like you may need 3 or 4. It depends on the packets. Some packets have like 24 or 30 or 40 strength, so you can do it with 4 packets or 3 packets. It depends on the strength in the packet, in one packet. And if they are very tiny one, you may not need a lot. The tinier, the more in one packet. So I'm sorry I can't finish it today, but stay tuned. If you want to make a wig, I'll show you how to make one, because I do make mine and I've sold a lot. So I'll show you my formula using this one, secret weapon. Use your crochet hook to make your crochet wig Senegal twist. For this one, it does take a long time if you do it from scratch. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay connected. If you have any other way to do it quicker or another method, please comment down below so we can share. Thank you. This is How and Style. Bye bye.